Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And this is going to be system test 4 on my firearm demonstration board. So, let's go ahead and go over what I have. So here we have a Demco siren. We have another Demco siren. And a 5 BD12. And this is the hex key. And this is not addressable. You can and you can see on the other side. Not addressable because this is a command cell for the control system. I have pull station rendered by Silent Night. And I got the panel. Inside, we got a little trouble as you can see. Just sound set, but without further ado, let's get into testing. First, since I have the hex key for this. Do this one first. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and disabled. Hold on. Hang on. I'm gonna get this pull station ready. reset this. Reset and renewal. Alright, and now we're ready to go for the next. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.